The nation's soon-to-be Attorney General, if she gets confirmed, in the hot seat this week as confirmation hearings begin for the incoming Trump administration. Pam Bondi, Florida's former Attorney General and Trump's pick to lead the Department of Justice, sat for her confirmation hearing this week. Lawmakers pressed her on the January 6th prosecutions, false election fraud claims from 2020, and her priorities as the nation's top law enforcement officer.
Do you believe that the January 6 rioters who've been convicted of violent assaults on police officers should be pardoned?
Senator, if confirmed as Attorney General of the United States, the pardons, of course, fall under the president. But if asked to look at those cases, I will look at each case and advise on a case-by-case basis.
Do you have any evidence of election fraud or irregularities in the 2020 election?
So, first, Senator.
Yes or no? It's a yes or no question.
First, Senator.
Do you have evidence, yes or no?
First, Senator. Senator, I was hoping you'd ask the question.
Do you have evidence, yes or no?
I traveled to Pennsylvania.
Do you have the evidence, yes or no?
I traveled, Senator, to Pennsylvania.
Okay. You're not answering my question.
People want safe streets. Of course we care about our economy and what's happening in this world. But if we're not safe, none of that works. We have got to come together. We have got to work together to make America safe again. And that, in turn, will make America great again. And I don't know where that phrase has become a bad word, because I think that's a great one.
Senators from both sides of the political aisle seem to think that Bondi will go through confirmation with no particular issue. But it is going to be a tough job. Remember that Trump fired his first AG, Jeff Sessions, in his second year as Attorney General amid Trump's frustrations with the special counsel investigation into Russia's meddling in the 2016 presidential election. And then his second Attorney General, General Bill Barr, threatened to resign when Trump wanted to fire FBI Director Chris Wray in the spring of 2020. Of course, now Wray has stepped down because Trump has already named Kash Patel to fill that role, even though Wray had 2.5 years left in his 10-year term. Bondi has significant experience as a prosecutor. She brings that to bear. She appears ready to take the job, but she'll certainly have her work cut out